Hi, I'm Afsana Atar and let me take you through performance testing in Mastering JMeter course. Imagine that you own a web app which started trending overnight. You took care of scaling for increase in traffic by using cloud providers that provides the infrastructure support. However, you notice that the increase in the number of users is causing downtime and delays in some of the internal services and APIs. It is a cause of concern for you since this will hurt your user experience and will drive your traffic to your competitors. Wondering what could you have done to mitigate this? Well, the answer is performance testing. JMeter is an open source tool that can be used to measure the performance of the application or server under test in multi-threading framework. It allows you to measure and evaluate the performance of an application or server, check its response time, and make sure that the application is stable and reliable under various load conditions. JMeter helps you to accurately reproduce users' behavior and can help design complex scenarios to emulate hundreds or thousands of concurrent virtual users to apply accurate workloads. It is a powerful tool which helps you create, run, debug, and analyze the test execution results. It provides both tabular and graphical view of application response time and performance using visualizations plugins, which helps in identify the most likely cause of any performance issues. So, enroll now to become proficient at performance testing with JMeter, where we will walk through end-to-end load testing and measuring performance for a variety of applications.